as requested by many of you. I have made this exude for Pubg PDP contest, and you cannot copy my design. You have to make your own design. Now there are some questions that people ask me, like how do you get your ideas for your outfit? Okay, first I start by drawing, and ideas keep coming to my mind as I start work. If still nothing is coming to your mind and you have no ideas, then you can do one thing. You can find an image from Google, Pinterest, or any other website. For example, this dragon image that I found on Pinterest inspired me, and I started designing my outfit based on it. Okay, let's get started this video. If you want to add this reference image like this, you can tap here, then you can see reference window. You can add your reference image. Alright, so now I'm importing my own sketch that I had already created earlier. You can also download this image, front and back view. I have left the link in the description. Now this is the best part. You just need to add the mirror ruler and draw one side. It will automatically draw the other side. You just need to place it in the center. Now I will lower the opacity of my this layer. I think 40 to 30%, and I will add a new layer on top. Then I will select my brush. You can use any brush. I'm using pencil rough brush. That's my favorite brush for sketching. And what is your favorite brush for sketching? I like this a lot. Every time I use this. Now I will lower the opacity a little bit more. I think now better. I will select that layer again where I will going to sketch. And you know what? I still don't have no idea what I'm going to draw, but I keep trying. It's helped a lot. I just keep observing my reference image and randomly drawing lines. Sometimes I like the design, sometimes I don't, but I keep drawing until I am satisfied. Now I am speeding up the video so that you can watch my drawing process without getting bored. I'm not cutting any part of the video because I want you to see how many times I erased and redrew this design. part 1. I will make part 2 soon. I hope you like this video.